Hi, this is Teri Shaub, Motion Product Manager with C&E Advanced Technologies, bringing you a Pneumatic Manufacturer's Moment featuring AIGNEP USA. AIGNEP was established in 1976 in Italy. In the mid-90s, they partnered with Alpha Technologies to expand into North America. The North American headquarters was opened in 2015. It is a state-of-the-art facility outside Nashville, Tennessee, and serves as a cylinder production site. In 2017, the company established a distribution center in Denver, Colorado to better service their growing customer base in the Western region. AIGNEP USA prides themselves on their premium pneumatic products, unparalleled customer service, and competitive pricing. Although they offer a full line of pneumatic products, their extensive line of Swift Fit push-to-connect, flow controls, and piping fittings, as well as their ISO and NFPA cylinders, are C&E's primary product focus. That's AIGNEP USA. For more information about AIGNEP and their quality products, please contact your technology consultant with C&E Advanced Technologies.